At the market. Roles, seller, customer 1, customer 2, customer 3. Seller, hello, fresh fruits and vegetables. Customer 1, hello, your fruits look nice. Seller, thank you. What would you like? Customer 1, I would like apples, please. Seller, how many kilos? Customer, 2 kilos, please. Customer 2, I want tomatoes. Seller, here you are. They are very fresh. Customer 3, how much are the bananas? Seller, they are 40 liras. Customer 3, okay, I will take some. Customer 1, how much is everything? Seller, 90 liras, please. Customers, thank you. Seller, you're welcome. Come again.